Okay, hello, assalamualaikum guys. Welcome back to my channel Noah. Okay, uh, first of all, aku akan sebelum aku mulakan video kali ni, aku nak mengucapkan selamat tahun baru 2026. Sedar tak sedar dah tahun baru tu, bapak ah. Cepat je masa berlalu. Eh, okay, tahun baru, azam yang baru, mungkin hidup yang baru, kan? Okay. Okay, sebenarnya tahun baru ni aku akan mulakan game aku. Game pertama aku untuk tahun ni, Fears the Phantom World Beri Giveaway. Ya, kalau korang ingat kan, first video game yang aku main adalah game Fears the Phantom. Yes, aku main seorang-seorang. Aku ingat lagi time tu aku main seorang-seorang tu, kan. First video cakap pun slow, grafik pun macam mana kan. Tapi ya, kali ni aku upgrade sikit kan. Aku ada pengalaman sikit. And ya, kita mulakan game ni. Manakah ini episod terakhir. Dia episod terakhir untuk yang First Phantom series season pertama ni. Setahu aku nanti ada season lagi. Tapi tak apa, kita akan mulakan game kita ni. Mulakan tahun kita ni, tahun 2026 ni, kita mulakan dengan game First Phantom episod 5, episod terakhir season 1 Wow, macam okay, hari ni aku bersorangan. Aku tak ada siapa teman aku. Aku lonely hari ni. Aku main sorang-sorang sebab aku ni, kita mulakan game ni dengan bersorangan tu kan. Home Alone tu, kita main sorang-sorang kan. So kita untuk beri ni, kita main sorang-sorang tak. Kita mulakan game ni, mulakan tahun ni dengan game Face to Phantom Woodbury Gateway, merupakan episod terakhir season 1. And nanti ada coming soon season 2 punya, tak salah aku. Aku akan look forward untuk game yang tu. And ya, tahun baru 2026. Okay, by the way, kepada yang baru tengok cerita ni, baru tengok channel ni, kau boleh support video aku ni dengan cara tekan like, share and subscribe. And komen kat bawah kalau korang ada pendapat, apa pendapat korang tentang video kali ni, ada benda nak perbaiki ke, korang boleh komen kat bawah. And juga aku nak tambah tu lagi, komen azam korang untuk tahun 2026 ni. Ya, okay. Macam biasa, First to Factor dalam episode horror game Who Survive ni episod 5 yang kelima. Episod playtime 2 jam. Okay, jom kita tengok adakah gameplay kita sampai 2 jam ke tak. Mari kita tengok. Ada air kali ni. Okay, tanpa banyak basa-basi, tak payah bacot-bacot, kita start terus. New game. Sabarnya. Here's the Phantom episod 5. Ya. Woodbury Gateway. Disember 8. Oh, Christmas Disember. Sesalji kan. Needed coffee. Okay. Kopi. Dia nak kopi. Okay. Uish. Dia dekat office. Apa ni? Ni tak boleh. Like I said, hari ni cup of coffee. Okay. Dia nak kopi. Boleh dia? Mana kopi? Chips? Nak makan Tak ada makan. Tapi dia nak kopi. Ya. Okay, betul. Apa dah ni? Water. Ni ke? Scroll up to open. Oh, yo. Ah, minus sikit je, minus sikit je. Air. Nanti cup water ni. Okay. Dia malah nak animate air. Okay, faham? Tak apa, tak apa. Air dia punya simulation memang susah. So, tak apa. Lagipun dia dah buat air kat belakang. So, kat sungai tu kira okey lah tu. Lepas tu, ni makan. Okay. Wih, gila-gila. Yes. Okay. And aku, okay. Baik tahu aku nak cakap tadi. Aku pun dapat discover benda baru yang kalau kita tekan shift kan, ke slow kan. Kalau kita lari menyengit macam ni, nampak lagi laju. Laju sikit. Oh. Effect tu. Nak kencing pula. Okay guys, macam biasa kalau kita pergi tandas ni korang kena tutup mata. Minum. Brightness aku macam kurang lagi. Apa tak nampak. Oh dah. Buang. Okay. Man. Restroom. Kan. Ni. Kata lagi restroom. Woman lah. Lah, kita ni woman. Kita ni perempuan. Okay. Okay, ni tandas sini tandas perempuan Tak ada orang. So kita seorang ni kita kerja OT, overtime. Apa ada tin dalam ni? Uish, kotornya. Kita ambil paling bersih lah. Aduh, tak nampak muka. Tak nak ada tin ni. Suspicious. Tiba ada pink lah, suspicious gak. Kotor. Tak yang kotor ni selalu. Benda ni tu. Nasib baik. Dia orang. Ada orang pula ni. Hei! Ya Allah. Nasib baik tak terkejut sangat. Oh ma'am, sorry. Didn't know anyone was in here. Almost gave me. I'm so sorry. Should have knocked before I came in, but there isn't usually anyone in here this late. Okay, you're just muted again. I'm sorry. I usually do knock, but I'm a little bit frustrated tonight. What's just frustrated? Someone keeps throwing coffee cups on the floor all over the office. It's been happening for weeks. Yeah, that's me actually. That's really rude. Well, I need to get back to it. Don't want to be here all night picking up coffee cups. Have a good night. Kau ke? Aduh, aku dah kerja OT. Kau ni pun dah. Ada orang. Oh, yeah, hello. What's it? Go for Sydney
Hey,
apa?
Arp, it's Mike. I've
Hey, Mike.
been trying to call your cell for the last 2 hours. It just keeps going to voicemail. Is everything alright?
My battery died.
Oh, snap. I was starting to think maybe you were ignoring me.
No, even got on play.
I'm just kidding. Anyway, what are you still doing at work? It's getting kind of late.
Hmm. Work has been
Damn,
overwhelming
Harvey, that sounds
lately.
rough. Good thing I called to cheer you up. About our trip, did you get a chance to book the rental house? Just really wanted to see you. And Nora.
I was
No worries,
going to do it
Harper. I
after
don't want to
work.
stress you out. As long as you book it tonight, I think it'll be fine. Hey,
Okay.
I was thinking since we both live in the city, maybe I could pick you up and ride together. It'd be nice to catch up.
Oh, so Mike ni kawan lama ni.
You know, save on gas and relive the good old days. Just a little bit of Mike and Sydney time before Nora gets there.
Sure.
Great. I guess I'll let you get back to work then.
Okay.
Oh, wait, one more thing.
One more thing.
When you book the rental, please make sure to keep it under $100 a night.
Okay.
Nora and I were talking, and she's been on a pretty tight budget. Things haven't been going very well for her.
Sure, I find something affordable.
It'll be just like the old college days. You always had a knack for finding the best spots.
I should make the booking
right,
now.
of course. Sorry for yapping. I'm just excited, I guess. Alright,
It's okay.
talk to you later, Harp.
Right, talk to you later. Okay. Sabar. So, kita kena tengok dulu. Aku kena buat. So, dia kata 29. Uish, ni main Adobe Sheet ni. Dia main ni benda ni. So, dia main kira-kira macam ni. Aku tak tahu. Approve, yes, no, effects. Berapa gaji effects? Tak apa, kita tengok tu. Oh, main game dulu. Bet, BED. Oh, macam ni Oh, dia kira ni. Ni, okay, found cross. Machine. Hard. Oh, dia main tak cak. Okay, kau nak main dengan aku. Main. Batang. Lost example. Thing. Populate. Damn. Start. Sabar je. Sebelum tu dia kata dia nak ni no battery je. Betul lah, pun kita tak ada bateri. Dia kata nak cari tempat ni kan. Tak ada ke? Tak ada. Okay, tak ada. So memang kena bangun lah. Tu je. No. Tekan apa-apa dia terus ni. Betul lah Ren tadi aku tulis. Where are you going? Apa nama Kobin dia? Kobin pula. Kevin dia apa nama? Woodbury. Okay, dah tahu. Book cabin night. What was the cabin area? Ni macam nice gak. Ni nice. Tak tahu lah. Over budget. So dia kata 100 per malam kan. So ni lah 100 private cabin in Woodbury. Tapi sekarang masih salji kan. So dia ni nice juga. I am assuming you get hundreds if not thousands of stories sent daily. So I give you a basic rundown of something that happened to me. I'm sorry if some of it is written weird, but I was rushed. Fine. When I was in my early 20s, I worked at a big consultant firm in my city. Life at the firm was a constant juggle of deadlines, client meetings, and trying to prove my worth. Oh, okay. So, waktu dia, umur dia awal 20-an, dia kerja dekat company yang besar. Kan? Lepas tu dia hidup dekat tempat yang cozy, tempat yang firm, tempat yang selesa macam tu kan. Ya ke? Tak tahu. Tapi dia apa ni? Selalu sibuk lah. Kena deadline apa semua kan. Client lah, message. Lepas tu kena ni. Which didn't leave much room for leisure. Okay. So dia tak banyak masa free time lah, me time. The job, kerja gaji okay. But kos hari hidup tu mahal lah. I am Sydney Harper. Okay, nama dia Sydney Harper. And the story takes place during one of those days. Salah satu kawan college dia, Mike, suggest dia orang untuk pergi bercuti dalam waktu weekend, which sound like a perfect break from the cycle of work. Nak rehat lah. And my other friend Nora was quick to jump on board as well. The plan was simple. We rent a small cabin. Lepas tu minta cuti, tutup shift hari Jumaat. Lepas tu balik hari Isnin. Cuti 2 hari lah. Mike ambil dia. Okay. Baik Mike. Seperti 2 hari kemudian. PSP bang. But actually today yourself and drop Oh no, I seen you around but I haven't had a chance to dialogue. To introduce myself, I'm Gail. I'm Sydney, nice to meet you. You're on 10th floor, right? I'm on 10. How do you know? I've just seen you a few times getting off at 10th floor. I'm home late from work. What do you do for work? Me? I am a software engineer. What about you? I work for some people downtown. I see. Anyways, I hope you have a great rest of your day. I need to get some grocery before the snow starts. You too. I forgot my suitcase in the elevator first. Tidak. Ni pulling to the parking garage now. You down. Oh ni. Weh, Mike. Lama tak jumpa tu. That's still how you. Itu cara kau. Dah tu kau nak kepeluk macam mana? Why do you hurt me like you miss me? Nak cuba memang tu kau bau-bau kan. But for record, I shower just for the occasion. Nanti it's too good for Sydney apa. Okay, I peluk lama sikit lah. It look good. Masih tu ambil aku. Wouldn't have it any other way. It'd be nice to have a company on the way. This old truck with so many memories. Truck ni kan. Right, that boy has been through a lot. You can just throw your stuff in the bag and we get on our way. Okay, fine. And mate. Kau letak ah. Kau bawa apa ni? Tu je kau bawa. Kau nak belakang lah. Alright then, are you ready to hit the road? Let's do this. Frame drop siut. Okay. Tak kira game jenis frame drop kan. Malu siap. It was starting to snow. Up is in the break. We used to dream about escaping our college, and now here we are, trying to escape from the life you wanted to live. We can wait to get out into the real world. Funny how that works. Change is just hard, like trying to adjust to the new job. How's your new job going? You working on this project that uses machine learning to predict market trends. It's pretty cutting edge stuff. Sounds like you are shaping the future. Not quite Tony start yet. Hmm? 5. Not quite to start yet, but I take it. No, I never understood what do consultants even do. Hmm. Explain ah. That sounds like important word. Ada bus. Kenapa dengan bus tu? Did you see the school bus? Right there by the old house. Maybe just a project. You know, someone idea of planning to tie in. Leh. Mana mai rusuh pula? Oh, snap. That was close. It came out of nowhere. You know? I didn't understand that Native American law seeing a deer cross the fight is like getting a message from the universe. Serious ah. Okay, please confirm when you check in and travel safe. Okay. Okay. Nice juga. How far is it now? Should be about an hour half from here. You know? Driving through snow kind of feels like we are traveling through the intergalactic space. What do you mean? Look at the way the snowflakes swirl around the headlight. It's like stars and galaxies rushing past us. Ya, buka kau ni. It's kind of beautiful. Masih. Hmm. 5:14 petang. Very much. Your heart check it out. Order. Pizza. Order tak? Oh, sampai dah. I tell you, there's no GPS system or something else. This pizza is exactly what it appeared on my GPS. It's like living in the future. I'm so hungry, I think I could eat a whole pizza myself. Bongak ah. Operation Pizza Pit Stop is a good prepare to land. Makan pizza pun sedap juga kan. Lama tak makan pizza ni. Open 24/7. Baik tu. Pintu dia kat situ. Everything for sounds like the cold everyone craving pizza tonight. If I know what you want to eat, we get 3 slices each. I go with pepperoni, cheese and veggie. And for you, miss? Nak makan apa lah? margarita. Kita nak cheese lah, cheese panas. Second slice. Pepperoni. Third. Tanda tiru dia kita margarita. Ada drinks for you folks. So should cover us just a pizza today. Thanks. Oh, then sea salt slice is coming right up. Bayar lu. Your order number is 27. Just get a seat and we call you when it's ready. Okay, no problem. How you doing, my friend? Not bad, you? I'm as good as a man can be, my friend. Are you here for the pizza? With the grilled slice? No, just looking for a little help. Maybe I can help you. You go on and get some pizza for him. Maybe we can share that. Alright. Dia dulu bang. Talkative. Achoo! Business will get so good in here. Achoo! Sejuk. Hey.
You guys are going to hate me. I swear I'll get on the road as soon as I can. But something last minute popped up. I'm not going to bore you with all of the details. The long and short of it is one of my clients needs a last minute change. Their payments are about the only thing keeping the lights on. I hate to leave so late, but I've got to keep them happy. I'll have this logo done before you know it and be on my way.
Duh, lambat pula. Aku pula kena duduk dengan mamat ni, aduh. Yeah, just saw. So start she be late. That's a bummer. Fun without her. Nak buat apa tu? Don't act like you don't know what I'm talking about. Kau jangan fikir bukan. Aku bantai lagi yang. Order number 27, full folks are right here. Kau jangan sampai ke bantai kau. Kau fikir bukan pula. Terima kasih bang. Alright, your faults are all set. Thank you. Makan ni lah, makan ni. Damn, this pizza slaps. Can't be believed Nora is missing out on this bomb ass. Tu ada. Should I eat the crust? Takkan nak bazir tu. Kau ni aduh. Aku jadi dia punya orange. Tak adalah sampai makan tu. Aduh. Bengap betul lah seorang ni. Hello there. I saw your pool in the with a nice old truck. That's right. Are you just watching Pupus? That's right. Not to be a bother for anything, but I was heading down the road myself. Seems like we might have been going the same direction. You don't mind if I hitch a ride with you? Where you headed? Just heading where the road takes me. I'm a bit of an adventurer, just hiking the trails and seeing the country. So what you all say? Care to give a ride? I'm not so sure, no. Sure you come with us? Hold on a second. Don't you think we need to discuss this? Is it that what we're doing? Sure, feel free to jump in. I'm not sure if we have extra space for another passenger. I'm sorry I didn't think of that. Sure, you can find just a little room for me. I can ride middle. Hell, I ride in the back. It's my friend car, I'm sorry. You got a bitch between me, really. No space. I know there's a middle seat. Scare me or something. Sorry. Yang tu kan are you? I can people meet. Bantai yang dia ni. You got me all wrong. Sorry, I'm just cold and tired itself. Yeah, thanks. Bantai yang orang cakap tak boleh lah. Tengok ni. Sekejap. I was just I just tak tolong Yeah, but sometimes helping can put you in a bad situation. Still harmless. You really never know these days. For all we know, we could win another Ted Bundy hub. Dia gimana? Tak ada sabotage tu kan. Betul kan? Bukan hati tu. Bukan hati tu. Boleh jadi orang jahat tu. Mau cakap tak boleh pun nak banyak bunyi pula kan. Bantai je. Alhamdulillah. Kenyang sih. Only that was good. Alright then, are you ready to hit the road? Give me the keys. Michael, I'm afraid of what kind of rate you are going to give me up. You'll be afraid if you can give me the key. Fine, but there's no one condition. What is it? I get first choice of bedroom when of it. Deal. Gua drive dulu. Okay, get it lah. 549.
Vermont. This is your host on WKWB.
We should be getting pretty close. Yang berada. Tapi berada betul. 241 Woodbury. 241.
There's nothing like a perfect song to set the mood. So here's a track that'll make you feel right at home. Coming up next, Be Sincere by Neb and Ultimus. Stay warm and stay tuned.
25. Slow. Barang slow. Bawa laju sikit lah. That's the way to take this scenic road. I was not afraid to be driving. Aduh, jalan sempit. Ay. Oh, bukan kita kan. Apa? Oh tu boleh kanan. Oh gila drift. Ada cabin lah. Kiri kanan. Cabin kita yang mana ya ni ke? Ni ke? I thought you driving it's no joke. Langgar apa tu? Mana langgar apa-apa? I feel just like my drive. Mana ada? Cabin kita yang masa tu. Yang ni ke?
Step into my room, leave with bloody lips, saying that she loved me but never really did. Maybe I should go, walk over the mountains, find
Oh ni.
away from where the town is. I could spend a year alone and never miss a soul. I could try my hardest and I'll never reach my goals. I know that I'm weak, need more love inside my heart. Didn't wanna change, but I think that did it.
Oh betul lah ni.
Time to start.
Boleh pak sini.
It's a good time to start. Good time to start. Sunset dreams of the nights that I never knew. Heart feels warm, trees only seem to bloom. Midnight laugh,
Driving ni semua.
running all the way.
Relax.
Miss this place, but the town don't want
Okay mana?
Where's my lunch money? Where's my gym clothes? I will
Sini lah,
never
sini.
know. Where's a good girl? best friend that's always got my back. Need time from the
Okay.
pills and the monsters. I feel like one day I'll have a god.
I think they're just supposed to go for one. Belvedere ni kan? Beware of the dog. Betul lah ni? Bukan?
Maybe I can make it there. I ain't trying to slow down cause I'm trying to retire my mama and my old man. I don't worry about
Kasihan
the
ni.
drama, yeah, I keep it cool, I keep a mystery. Hearing lies, man, that ain't all there
And
is
this
to me.
should be it.
I'm
Betul lah
trying
ni?
to
Alah.
on this shitty screen, and I promise you will be about this shit.
Ya, sampai dah. Quiet and neighborhood. Door was locked. I had to get key from the lockbox. Slide to open. Hold. Hold left mouse to slide. Alamak, apa dia punya ni? 5176 5176 betul lah. Pro player. Oh ni lupa satu. Aku nampak tadi tak nampak. Sok Duduk luar. What a great play. I knew we could count on you. It must so nice in here. Right, but I really need to hit the John. Take your time. While I'm gone, can you put these groceries away? Should be enough space in the fridge. Sure. That's so cozy furnish. Kat sini lah. Oh, teddy bear. Apa salah lagu seram semacam ni? Sebelum tu kita explore jap. Foto tandas. Sekejap lah. Sorry about that, Hub. Are you okay? Don't wrap all that pizza really did a number on... Siapa pula tu? No worries. Anyway, this girl looks crazy nice. It's just that classic charm you just don't see anymore. Siapa kat luar tu? Yeah, it's cute. For sure. You can go ahead. I start a fikir. Okay, thanks. Dia. Sabar je dia. Tandas. Ni apa? Okay, tak boleh sorok dalam ni. Okay, kalau filter ni selalu tempat dia kena sorok. Okay, ni atas. Okay, ni belakang. Okay, ni kena tembak ni. I hate to pee. Oh, dia nak kencing lah. Okay. Jalan jauh kan. Tak sweet. Dia orang ni tak cuci ke? Hei. Much better now. So, check out this one. Sounds good to me. After you. Cuci tangan sekejap. Lupa cuci tangan, cuk. Mahap. Already seen this bedroom. Okay, jom. Jom lah. Tengok luar jap. Okay, kena sorok. Si Daisy dia minta, kau siapa? I go to my home, sweet home. What a lovely young couple. We just friends. Si Deli, si Rimi, kau siapa? I was out looking for my cat earlier and I remember the TV was been on the fridge here. Just thought I stopped by and tried to get it working since the last few folks left a bad word for it. You know, they said for your guests like family. My family doesn't go without TV. Kau ni, dia ni siapa? Mike, dia ni siapa Mike? Speaking of that, my dad folks are here. Let me show you around my sweet home. Right now, I'd be bad owner if I didn't give you the grand tour. Dia ni owner. Her host immediate with nervous energy. Right from the start, prison man is uncomfortable. Tu lah, dia ni. Nama dia Rick ke? Betul ke nama dia Rick? Oi, kau Rick ke? That thing make you feel like the jungle in the Amazon jungle. Oh, this thing doesn't work, unfortunately. Not to worry, I get it fixed for you real soon. Let me show you the other bedroom now. You think that's nice, mister? Wait till I show you the deck. Falling now. Oh, please. Mana aku nak sorok? Tak ada sorok. Jangan mana aku sorok. Ni deck. Aku dah tengok deck ni. Oh, belum lagi. So this one is incredible. Definitely. Great, you focus like this is one of my favorite spots. The view of the creek is beautiful. Nama kau siapa? It's a good spot for fishing too. Okay. Tapi sebelum tu nama kau siapa? Alright, Paul. Let's head back into before I catch the coat. Before I catch the coat here again. Sejuk mati lah kau sejuk. Nama kau siapa nama kau? Pakcik. Okay, kalau nama dia bukan Rick, tandanya dia bukan owner. Tak tahu dia siapa ni. Dah lah pendek. Bantai yang Mike. Kau depan lah Mike. Kau lelaki kan. Nothing to worry about down here. Just the water heater and some storage stuff. So okay, just hit the button at the bottom. The pilot light will fire. We're back in business. Water heater tu okay tu water heater. Ni water heater. Benda nak buat. Hey sir, what's the deal with that room over there? Nothing, you do need to consider yourself. I cannot use this bedroom as storage and just don't need this space. Take it upstairs. Just saying. Let's move on. No access to gas. Sorok dalam ni. The admission will know when we keep it to myself. The fella bought this home room well told me his mother died down here. Some can have reported hearing voices at night said they could hear. Nipu kau. Not to scare fault, but if I were one of you, I would really step down here. Bantai yang. Look at your face. Pukul yang. Dia buat panas ah. Come on, I'm just joking. Tak. Nama kau apa? Nama kau apa? Aku nak nama kau. Kau belah sang belah rumah. We duduk now. Got to find that damn cat. Except for showing us around. By the way, blah 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 blah. Ada booking. I'm getting oh. Jangan bagi tahu. Tengok, suruh dia tengok phone dia. Yeah, house in Detroit. A pretty neighborhood. Jangan bagi tahu doh. Tengok phone dia. Suruh dia tengok phone dia. Super weird. Very weird doh. Anyway, let's go see if there is anything good on TV. Okay, aku nak guna. Let me know if it's yang under a waterfall. That's a wait guys. Thanks, see you in a bit. Aku nak pergi tandas je. Tadi aku cakap aku pergi mana? Shower upstairs. Okay, oh nak shower.
Hey, you. Do you have a car? Do you have insurance? Have a dog? No. Well, you're in luck, because here at Leary.
Nak shower. Suspicious tu orang tua tu. Dia owner betul ke dia owner? Dia macam tak owner je. Bukan owner je. Sebab dia tak beritahu nama dia. Nice tu. Okay, so kita dah tahu ni pun pelik hari ni. So bawah tu boleh sorok I found the fishing rod in the shed. Planning to catch dinner. Now that you mentioned that would be pretty epic addition to the trip. Let's do it! Jom mancing! Hell yeah, follow me. There's another road in the shed, so we can both give it a shot. Oh, okay guys, aku nak tanya guys. Korang suka mancing tak? Kalau aku suka. Salah satu hobi aku ialah mancing Kalau siapa tak tahu. Memang korang tak tahu. Do you wanna grab the other fishing rod? Just give me a second. Kat mana fishing rod dia? Shit kat mana? Oh ni lah. Oh ni lah. Ni ke sama ni. Oh snap, I saw a killer for big cup. We need to catch the 3 cup to you up for the challenge. Kau cabar aku mancing ke? Come on lah. The first thing first, we need the right bait for card. Check out the information. Whenever you are ready, grab a cup bait. Let's creek. We're going to catch some cup hub. Let me grab the bait. Kakak tak kelakar. Cup which cup common cup. Cheese delight. Ni, cheese ni. Dengar, common hub is this way. Makan cheese Ikan makan cheese. Dah macam. Ikut cute. Ui, apa hujung situ? Sini je. Silang nanti. Berdiri. Ui. Building in. Ya. Skip aku nak mancing lagi. Kau noob Ini aku ajar kau mancing. Aku ajar kau Aku mancing lama lah, bertahun. Bluegill. Robek lah. Orang tak nak bluegill, orang nak cup. Sekejap, aku tak tepi aku. Kau dah letak umpan belum? Kau umpan pun tak letak. Mana ikan kau? Mana ikan kau? Ni kau pekak ni, kau pekak. Ikan emas. Goldfish, bhai. Tang mana pula goldfish? Tang mana boleh ada goldfish pula kat sini, santai. Ada lagi. Masuk. Ikan besar ni. Ikan besar ni. Ini pun kita simpan. Kau mancing lah. Mana ikan kau? Semua aku kau tak pandai mancing kan sebenarnya kan. Kau umpan pun tak pasang. Memang ikan tak dapat. Kau yang casting ke? Kau tak pernah. Tengok. Ni kali. Pick up, do you want to go back? Maybe in a little while. Sydney Harper live fishing. Who knew? Okay, let me know when you gonna head back. It's getting cold to go out here. Sure. Mancing lu, let lu. So, ikan apa lagi kita dapat kan? Takkan nak makan kap je tu. Lain lah. Wah, dah seronok mancing. Macam ni aja dia. Simpan lagi. How looks like we go pick up. Ya, jom lah. Lebih 4 cup aku bagi tu. Makan lebih. Aku kalau ikan suka. Mana joran kau? Kau jangan. Joran owner kau. Kau jangan main buang kau. Balik je jangan. Asal lagu dia tukar. You might prepping the marinade. Marinade macam mana? Take a bowl, throw in ginger paste, cooking oil, black pepper, salt. And you get on it. Apa tadi? Mangkuk, okay, first mangkuk. Okay. Salt, black pepper, paprika. Paprika settle, black pepper. Pepper settle. Salt ni salt. Salt settle. Italian seasoning. Flex ni. Italian seasoning. Ginger. Italian seasoning. Olive oil. Minyak. Oi, kita nasi ikan tu baik tu. Lelaki Mitali macam ni ada. Wait, what was the fish really right up? Okay. Olive oil mana olive oil? Oh ni olive oil. Okay. Yogurt. Aku rasa yogurt dalam teh ais. Rose yogurt, yes. Jadi kau jangan tolak gue. Do you mind throwing the fish in I showed this veggies. Sure though. Let bawa kerja. Head to edit fish first. Okay. Ikan dulu. Ni ikan. Ikan 1 2 3. Mana lagi ada seekor? Aku tak kampat kot. 2 je. Oh okay. Seorang lagi untuk ni nanti marinate. Dah. Veggies. Aku je. Boleh. Boleh, no hal. Nah. Setengah jam Amazing. While we wait for it to cook, how about we play some board games? I saw some in the room next to the living room. I guess we could. Which one? Just get whatever catches your eye. Can't wait to see what you pick. I saw some in the room next to the living room. Bilik sebelah dalam ni. Nak main game Okay guys. Main mau hijau apa? Ya. Kita main game ni lah. Macam. Oi. Kau berani tak? Oh snap, Ejen aku jawab. Yes. Holly once told me that she contacted her dead grandma through one of those board. Butuk. Nipu. I can't stand her spiritual bullshit. Betul. Hey. Remember how the dude was acting weird about the basement? What if we tried it down there? Great idea though. Alright, let's go. Dia tipu tu. Mana ada hantu kat basement ni? Jin, semua tu jin. Jin syaitan. Watch out for spider sangat. Laba-laba yang kita kena concern. Apa tu? Cukup panas. You know what will make this even spookier? Benda. Let's turn off all this light and see if these things really work. Kok lampu mana nak nampak benda? Okay. Anyway, do you know how this works? Tahu? So first, we place our fingers tightly on the planchet. We have to ask crochet and the spirits, if there are any, will move the planchet to spell out the answer. Or at least that's what Holly told me. So kalau tak tangan kat sini ni, one more thing. Never take your finger off the planchet until they say goodbye. Otherwise you might pick off some spirits, she say. Got it! Tak ada apa lah. You go first. Aku gerak dulu. Nakut. Okay, this spirit who wants first. Butuh dia gerak kan ni. Oh. Bukan mouse aku ni. Oh, mouse aku pun boleh gerakkan ah. Yes. No way, are you moving it? That wasn't me. Okay, I got one too. Go ahead. How's the afterlife treating you, buddy? Hey, be respectful. Respect sikit tu, respect sikit. Benda. Ha. 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 What's your name? B M B. Benda tu bunga tak ni pun. Somebody give us a sign, let us know you are here. And G. Ngarut. Helmet. Oi. Babi dia gerak. Tak ajak tahi betul. That was weird. The weird part is you ditch me. You mean wait how you left me? A fight or flight. Sini, I'm sorry, okay. Whatever. Kau ni memalukan aku lah. Kemas lah balik tu. Bau dia kat seorang tu. Tarik tu. Satu je kan. You think so is seekor je, bukan tadi masak dua. Dia suruh kau ambil sendiri je lah. Suruh kau ambil sendiri. Makan dengan nasi tu pun sedap. TV pun tak buka. Alah.
A mayonnaise water park. So first, we are gonna prepare the asparagus. Season these with a lot of salt. Salt is good for the bones. After letting these simmer in the salt bath, we can start making the chocolate. Take a couple cocoa beans.
Kita kena letak tu. Tengok sekeliling tanpa ada orang tu.
To be blended into the sauce with a little bit of vinegar. Gotta keep that fancy flavor in there. The next thing we prepare
rasa
is
macam
the
sampirong lah. Mungkin belah sini
mayonnaise.
je.
We stir fry this in a pan with Irish tofu. I'm not gonna lie, this is gonna taste like shit. But here you are anyway, listening to my cooking instructions. This is the brine of the mayonnaise.
Tak apa
We
lah
gotta
tengok ni.
inject it with a little anesthesia to make sure it doesn't revolt against us. It gets very angry once it knows we're trying to cook it. After doing that, we mix all the
I need
ingredients
to check my
together
email
in a
real quick.
tray
Left my laptop
and
upstairs.
place it inside
The
the
convert is not work. You're just waiting for
Okay, and
email
while
details
that's
from my
cooking,
new
we can
IDS.
start on
I
the
bet. Alright.
appetizer.
I think yeah. Okay, aku bersihkan dah.
Gasoline soaked ramen. Now this dish is extremely hard to make.
Iya mah, bising. Bantai iya. Ni dah buang sana ni. Mana dah buang? Buang dalam ni. Oh tak, habis? Dekat atas. Nak buang, bukan buang tulang dulu ke? Buang dulu. Ni buang tepi ni. Kan? Buang mana tu? Buang dalam api boleh ke kan? Bagi bakar terus. Oh, cuci terus. dengar bunyi tu. I think there's someone under my bed right now. Can you come upstairs? Penakut hari ni. Harap lelaki. Michael, Mike kat dalam bawah katil tu. Bodoh. Ah! Bodoh. Dia tumbuk ke muka dia ni. Hey. Whatever. Belah lah kau. Next round benda pula. How about a game of hide and seek? But before this, whatever you say is enough. Alright, you're on. I count to 10. Oh, dia nak aku sorok. Okay, sorok. Aku nak sorok. Aku nak aku main sorok. I set the hide investment. Tu. Penakut dia tak berani. Ah! Maybe you need to look apa. Alright, my turn to hide now. You better close your eyes and start counting. Saya tak terkejut ke? Patut dia suruh mana. Dia suruh orang jamban. Dia suruh keluar ni. Oh, tak ada. Kacau, easy lah. Sekian lagi di sini I really need. Sini ada reading here. No, it's not after my life or something. Has the active access? Dia seruk kedua tempat tu. Lagi. Kau lagi. Aku lagi. Kucing punya. Hei, kucing ni. Asyik lah, aku berani. Mana aku cakap orang terjaya? Black. Kucing lah. Aduh, penakut. Sorok lagi pula. Dah besar pun bisa sorok. Aduh. Mana ada giu? Make water figure you left the house. I'm getting tired. Penat tu Mr. Sorok. Aduh, baik. Walah lah. Tengok lagi mana? Lagi atas. Jom aku tengok. Nak atas ni. Oh, bukan. Okay. Eh! Why the hell are you in here again? Kau patut cakap lah lu. Started with a hammer before. You ever fixed many fractures yourself, young man? Think so. I imagine you don't know what tools you need. How long have you been here? Just here a couple minutes ago. If you heard anything before that, must have been that dog already, remember? Pecah kat hidung dia ni kan. Look, we need to go to bed now. Do you think maybe you could fix it tomorrow? Leave it here. Rented this house and would like to have it to ourselves. We don't really want to have to call law enforcement. Might personally handle this. And no cops in Woodbury, son. You think they are going to arrest the homeowner for fixing the voucher? I was just doing some work. If you can't handle that, it's your problem, not mine. You know what? If also like me fix the voucher, I live here to it. Blah blah blah. Kau belah kan. Nampak me face tak listening. Kau belah kan. Pantai yang dengan hammer terbalik dengan hammer ni. Apa nak jadi orang tua. After locking the door, we debated what to do. We agreed that three was something off. There was something off about Rick from the start. It seemed like he enjoyed making excuse to come over and out. In the end, we decided Rick was weak, but probably really harmless. Severe to an extreme lack of social awareness. Look, we drove all the way out here. Let's just enjoy ourselves, Mike said. By this time, I was feeling really tired. I decided to get some rest. Oh, sampai sibuk nanti ni. Siapa pula ni? How are you still awake? Sure. Cakap. I was trying to get ready, but I can hardly see the truck in the driveway. I hope Nora is okay. She just runs in over up here to keep you safe. What? What? Hey, it's not problem at all, guys. I don't watch over to take care of right. What are you talking about? Right then, this was in the car. I thought I would get away was going to lose me. It's been a strange day. Can you believe that guy? He just keeps wandering around the house like he owns the place. Yeah, I wish you would just to cut it out. I think you might be staying here by yourself. I mean, I need to pick up. Why don't you come sit by me? Okay, duduk sebelah kau. You know, I miss this. I was just looking at it alone. You know, you will have to sleep alone tonight if you don't want to. Would you be doing this if no one is here? Where is this coming from? Kau nak try ni? Dia nak try perempuan ni. Cakap lah. You act like you don't remember what it to gone. I do remember it. Well, yeah, you tell me what you did. So aku betul might had a lot to drink. Things happen. They showed it. Sorry about that. You just let me worry about the situation. Bukan masa sesuai lah. Nanti Nora pun datang dah.
Guys, I think I'm about 70 miles away from Woodbury, and my stinking tire just blew out. My brother said he checked them a few days ago, but can't spawn. I'm freaking the hell out. The snow is like half a foot deep, and I can't get the lug nuts off the tire. I hate to ask, but can you two come get me? Or help change the tire? I just want to get to the house.
Ayah dia pula pecah. Oh belum tu. Aduh. Macam mana? Let me get dressed. Let's see, just take it and get some. Are you sure? Yeah, in pajama. I'm still dressed. That's really nice, mate. I was. Just be careful. Bagi chance lah kat dia ni. Dia ni mungkin. When he's talking about this, okay, get some good rest and stay warm. If you really feel like you have to. Tidur lah. Oh, front door. Betul kunci kan, betul tak? Sekejap Okay. Hey, why don't you get some Levanter? Are you sure it's safe to drive in this weather? Yeah, I think I crashed for it. I've even worse. Besides, Nora probably freaking out more than you right now. You're probably right. It's alright, whatever. So you doing? Like, so, how about I didn't doesn't take your ass when I get back, then I can get some stress and like bakal kunci kan. Tidur. I thought myself things would get better if I could just get somewhere. Nora always knew how to cheer me up, then I didn't eat more by the minute. With her arriving, so I decided to rest in the meantime. Siapa pula kacau tengah tidur ni? Hello? I just banging on your door in the middle of the night, but I'm in a bad spot here. I was counting on Red for some friends, but they are running behind that won't be here for about 2 more hours. You can see the point where you see it. Thanks, but I was hoping you'd let me know until my friend get there to get me. You're not coming in, end of story. If you're kidding me, I didn't make you go hiking in a snowstorm. Sorry? I should know you'll be a big bitch there as you were back at the pizza joint. What? I think I didn't see you and your little boyfriend fishing in the creek earlier. I figured maybe you give me a chance this time, but looks like you're still unkind. Get out or I call the cops. No cops around here. Speaking of, I don't see your fellas truck. Okay. Aku call 9911 sekarang. Fine. Suit yourself. Blah. Blah sekarang kau blah. Blah sekarang. Dia ni creep tu. Creepy tu dia ni. Dia ni. But let me tell you something. You get what you believe in me. Okay. Sama big. Takkan aku nak bagi dia masuk. Dia ni siapa pula kan? okey tu kalau kau stranger tu. Takkanlah kau nak masuk rumah orang tiba-tiba. Follow. Follow. I don't just got to go for that. Rick, tolong gua sih. Tolong gua sih. Marah-marah pula. Kenapa dia marah tu? Dia rasa dia follow sampai sini tu. Boleh sampai lah. Ha. Tengok dia. Bahagian ilmu. Okey. Sekejap. Sementara dia kat dalam, aku duduk luar lah. Jadi size pictures tu betul ke dia tu rumah tu? Aku dah cakap. Dia duduk Burrington. Ya, jom. You need to leave right now. What did you say? This my fucking house will leave when I want to. You need to leave right now. I don't think so. If anyone is living in this house, it will be one of us. Nyuruk. Aku dapat asli. Nyuruk! Bongok lah boleh pula dia call. Bukan pintu. Pintu rosak. Pintu rosak. Nasib baik aku tak kerusi awal-awal tu. Aku tak tangga tu awal-awal tu. Kan? Kucing ni ada lagi Diam. Thank you, dia call 911 weh. Dia call polis. Thank you. Pakcik tu dah belah belum? Dah belah. Oh dah habis. Habis. Ui, kerja aku lonely saya aku rasa ni. Pecah. Deh, lu balik aku dah tahu. Tu dah. Everything that happened after Mike had left. Rick had called the cops. The storm had quieted down by the time they had arrived. And of course, the man was nowhere to be seen. On our drive back, the whole night lay over and over in my head. We think that the man we so secretly lived in that cabin when it wasn't being used and planned on robbing us during our stay. But cops seem to think there was more intent behind this man action aside from just robbing us. They asked me what the man looked like. After that, he didn't ask any more questions. We think he knew more than we was letting on. But in the end, he gave us a full refund. Nasib baik dapat refund. Wih, bapak. Dapat refund, wih. Nasib baik aku tahu nak buat apa tu. Nasib baik aku dah tahu tu mekanik game ni dah macam mana tu. Zero death, nampak? Casio. Tidak dah. Oh, ni polis ni. Masa tahu tu macam mana dia punya game. Sebab Face the Phantom selalu ada tempat yang macam nak punya sorok dia tau. So aku tahu tempat. Kalau ada tempat sorok dia, tahu lah nak kena buat apa. Lepas tu kena letak kerusi pula kat situ. Mesti ada sebab kena ada tangga tu. Takut weh tadi tu. Zero death lah. Kali ni betul. Ui, lock in tu aku. Ui, thank you for playing Face the Phantom. Betul lock in tu aku buat ni. Aduh, weh. Kali ni betul aku lock in tu. Aku zero death, tak nak mati punya pasal kan. Dia kejar pakai tukul pula dia. Gila babi. Oi, tapi aku enjoy tu main game ni. Pembukaan untuk tahun baru 2026. Aku rate game ni, episod ni aku rate 7 lah, 7 per 10 lah. Kalau nak rating yang paling seram aku bagi ni tu. Iron Bud Lookout nombor 1. Wolverine nombor 2. Carson nombor 3. Home Alone ni nombor 4. Norwood ni nombor 5. Ni makin lama makin seram lah. Dapat rasa makin seraman dia tu. Okey lah, sampai situ je. Tu je lah gameplay. Jumpa lagi. Bye.